Guys, in this video I'm going to run a performance benchmark test on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra versus the iPhone 12 Pro and see which device is running faster. So this is Android in this iPhone, so I'm going to tap on the test button right now and we're going to test it out and see which one is going to be the winner. Just going to lower down the volume on this one here. Okay, so it's running at the moment. And now it's just doing some 3D graphic tests. So we're just gonna let it run its course. Now looking at the iPhone here, the graphics on the LCD looks really good, really vivid and very true. If you look at here, I can see it's quite nice, and it's very bright as well, looking at the iPhone at the moment. Okay, the iPhone has already finished with that test, so still doing some more tests. Let's see. So here's a doing memory RAM speed test. So the GPU is completed. So we're just gonna wait. Now this test can take some time, as you can see. So this one here is still testing on memory. It is at 68%. Now on my Android phone, on the Galaxy S21 Ultra, it's now gone down to the CPU test, FFT operation. Well, on the iPhone, looks like it's still running some tests on the graphic. Okay, still testing the CPU on the Galaxy S21. And over here we got image processing. Okay, that just finished the GPU testing on the iPhone. Now it's going down to the memory test. Whereas on an Android phone, it's already heading down. And let's just show that it has completed already. So now we're just going to wait for this one to finish. So let's have a look at the details on this device here. It's got the verification code for today, AI test. So I'm just trying to see the details. So that's the device detail. So normally it would come back with a score, so not sure what's going on there. So I'm just going to rerun the test. Okay, so I have rerun the test, and you can see here the Galaxy S21 Ultra still behind the iPhone 12 Pro. The iPhone 12 Pro still have a high score at 612,162 points, and for the Android Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G is only at 596,312 points. So you can see the CPU score right here. The graphic card is lower than iPhone, but the CPU performance is higher than the one on iPhone. And you got the memory, it is also lower than iPhone, and the UX interface is also lower than the iPhone. So that is the result there, guys. So if you're wondering if the Galaxy S21 Ultra is better than the iPhone, this time the iPhone 12 Pro is the winner in this benchmark test. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.